Okay, so I sold a man a washing machine this weekend, and he had this one, and I actually went out to his house and picked it up because I'm kind of low on washing machines. He said it wouldn't start. It's not a bad looking washing machine. It's got some rust issues. Oh, it's rusty, but it's not rusted too. I think that good sanding on that will fix it. That needs cleaning really bad. Yeah. No care. We can make this a good machine to sell. We'll see what's going on with it. I'm gonna turn it around here and let's get this water. I've got me a makeshift test spot here. And we'll give it a test and see what's going on with it. A lot of different sounds here in the town. You got trains coming through, and don't hear the peacock anymore. A lot of neighborhood dogs over here. The wife brings her dog Wally to work. And Wally has made many friends. So let's see what this will do. All the water valves work. Not seeing any leaks. Let's see if it will spin. Oh, no spin. Huh. I don't feel a wire in there. Tell you what, let's take this thing apart. And see what we got. Looks like somebody's already taken the screws loose. Oh, wow. That right there certainly be the problem. Let me unplug that before we get shocked. Yeah, looks like somebody bypassed that switch, and the bypass has failed. I'm glad they didn't cut everything, because I'll put that back together and put a lid switch on it. All right, let's repair this. this lid switch. Quick. Let's test this. Sometimes testing things is hard. Because it clicks. That switch is working. Nothing wrong with that switch. Yeah, quit clicking on that, rusted out some, but we can adjust that. I think the easy way, take some pliers, we bend that rod where it will engage again. Alright, you can see what I'm doing here. I'm taking this rod and I'm just going to bend it a little bit here. You can hear it. Yeah, there we go. Nothing wrong with that switch. Just a misses again. Let's put this back together. Yeah, I don't have too many of those switches fail. And this one didn't. Yeah, I got fried right there. Okay, for this one. Okay. We've got that spliced. Let's put a bypass on it. See if it'll spin. Where is it? This one. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, they took it apart. They didn't know what they were doing. What'd I do with my cork? There he is. Oh yeah, that was the only thing wrong with it. Well, the only thing that we can see that's wrong with it. We will hook this rascal back up. First we'll pressure wash all this stuff. Yeah, got a machine given to me. The only thing is their bypass failed. Shorted out. no longer bypassed. We got some critters up in here. No, come on out there. I don't want to hurt you. Come on, spider. There you go. Hey, Wally. Did you bring Papa some lunch? What's he smell like? What's it smell like? Got some critters in it. Okay, before we clean all this up, let's do a test run on some clothes in it. There's a wasp, and they will sting you when they're dead, because they're just that nasty. Put a load of clothes in it. And if it works, we'll take it out here and pressure wash it. Fix any other problems with it. We're going to have to sand that case and repaint it. And so let's do the Super Plus, and we'll do how about a 9-minute wash on it. And we're going to check for leaks. We know that water there came from that hose. Let's dry out underneath it. And we won't be fooled. So when they took this apart, they took the hinges loose too. There we go. I don't see any leaks on it. I did see it. I don't want to mitigate is the pressure valve. Oh, these agitator dogs. For sure. And we'll get rid of that. That's the worst thing in the world for machines. That is the worst thing you can do to one of these machines is put fabric softener in there. Get those dryer sheets or something like that. That fabric softener is nasty stuff, and so it needs agitator dogs. And it's agitating well. It's moving those clothes very well. So if we had a very large load, it wouldn't push them down because this part of the agitator is not functioning. So when you have it washing like this, you need to watch for things. Agitator dog is one of them. Make sure it's agitating right. And when it goes to drain and spin, you want to make sure that it'll go into neutral, drain the water out, then it stops, and when it starts again, it engages the spin pawl and the spin basket will turn. If it spins before it drains or during the drain cycle, then you need to change the neutral drain kit in the transmission. But I don't have any right now. I kind of remember that I was supposed to order those just before Mr. Harper passed, and I never got around to it. So anyway, we can address the cosmetic issues now. That's 2-piece. Take it out without cracking it. It's like somebody tried to seal around it. That wasn't a bad idea. Yeah, they put some kind of caulking around it. It's not a bad idea at all. It keeps that bleach from leaking down in it. Oh yeah, that's a bad spot right there. Well, there is a bad spot right here. See that often this type of machine with that big bleach dispenser there. Why they ever put those on there either. Best way to add your bleach is right to the water, or you get this issue here, or don't use bleach at all. There it is. You see it's draining. And it's in neutral, so we don't have to worry about putting a neutral drain kit in it. Well, we got lucky on that. Almost 80 to 90% of the time you'll have to change the neutral drain kit on an older machine like this. But that one's working fine. There's a beetle. I'm sure that beetle values his life as much as I value mine, so I'm going to let him go. He had a wild ride in the washer. There, it stopped. Now when it starts again, it should spin. Ha! Very good. It's starting perfectly. It doesn't look like it has any clutch issues. It's just got dirt issues. Yeah, there's. See if we can clean this thing. And it won't hurt to run in that wash. Those clothes running around on it will clean it up. Well, it came out of the wash pretty good. Still didn't clean it up like I want, but I'll get it. Waddy. Let's take this outside and pressure wash it. Your mama put your water down here right in your way of your leash, huh? turn this off. You a pretty dog. You a pretty dog. Sit. Good boy. Get in. You gotta get in. Sit. Sit. Get in. Get in. Get in. Bang. Bang. You better lay down. Bang. Oh, you're supposed to be dead. There you go. Alright, get it. That woman can get right in my way with her projects, but that's alright. You watch, I bring my steam with my pressure washer out there. She want me to pressure wash that bathtub for her. Now, look at that. I already got this thing tangled up. There you go. Take this splash guard off. Yeah, I need to fix me a slab on the back side of the building to do all this in. What the problem is. I asked her if she's going to sell that bathtub. She said, well, I'm going to put a price on it that if I do sell it, it won't hurt my feelings. She wants to keep it for display purposes, I guess. I know they get a pretty penny for those down in New Orleans. Up around here, folks don't have the money to buy antique bathtubs for their houses. You know that?
Blow it off over here.
Usually, I can get these tubs to free up. Hold it on the side of it, tap on the spin block. Wow. Okay. And thumping. Oh, see how those kids do. Listen to that. All that stuff coming out of there. Let's clean this thing up the way it's supposed to be. Getting this one out. Yep, it's just about quitting time. I need to put all this stuff up. Hold on, Wally. Oh, we got all kinds of thumpers. We got all kinds of thumpers. Here, wait. Let me fix you a place here. Alright, load up. You ready to go home? Don't drool on my truck. Don't drool on my truck. Put some air. Put the air on you. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. You don't have a seatbelt. Yeah, the trust Papa doesn't have a collision, huh? Well, we're at the end of the day, and we'll pick you back up tomorrow. Thanks for watching this much of it, though. Alright, first thing we did was pressure washed on this thing. I've got to get a better setup than this. I can't be pressure washing out here in front of this place. I need a slab on the back. Let's see what we got to do with this. I think I can fix that with some caulk. Yeah, I believe that'll work. It's paintable. Make sure it's smooth. Very good. Now let's turn our attention back to this. Yesterday we were cleaning this up, and we had left it in this state of affairs. We need to put this tub back in. We pressure washed it. Most of the rusty stuff out of it. Good and tight. Now, agitator dogs. Our cams, we need 4 of them. 2, 3, 4. These old ones. I think there should be a washer in there. See if I got one. Here are my, yeah, these are washer like that in here. That's a good one. That's a good one. Put that one in there. Oh man, had it upside down. These are agitator cams, and that's what keeps your two-piece agitators going in only one direction at a time. Got one with this kind of washer. Where's that bolt I threw in there? Here it is. Several different styles of this thing. Try to get the right ones. Get it started. Our 7/16 inch wrench, and fasten this down. There we go. Now it turns in one direction. Now you'll put our dust cover in. Actually, this keeps out all the detergent and caustic materials from contacting that bolt head and rusting it out. It will not hurt a thing. Now put these on. You got one. You got these wide. And you have this one narrow one, and the one narrow one goes about the 8 o'clock position.
So this video started to last a little long, and I didn't want y'all to suffer through me painting the cabinet. But as you can see, it turned out pretty well, and I think I sold it 2 days later. And it hasn't come back to me. The customer was pleased with it, and that was several months ago. And anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Chip is out.